Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and as promised, today I'm going to show you how to make stick pins. They're so easy to make. They make really nice decorations for your pin cushions. They make nice decorations for scrapbooking and shabby chic, and they're so easy to customize by just the beads that you use. They're very inexpensive to make. I did all of these with everything that I have on hand. I didn't have to buy a thing. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, I got some of my little tiny glass beads and a stick pin and a variety of pearls and crystals. And I'm going to put the little tiny one on the top just as a spacer, and then I'm going to put our pearl on, and it's a bicone bead. I'll put a larger pearl on, and I'm just playing with these until I like what I get. And you can line the beads up and play with them all you want. But once you got them where you want them, and I think it's too long with that, so we're just going to use these. Once you have it where you want, pull the bottom one down, add just a teeny tiny bit of glue. Push that up. And there you go. Now, all depending on what color beads you use, what kind of beads you use, you'll have something different every time. These stick pins, I can't remember if I got them at Joann's or Walmart or Michael's, but I like this tiny bead at the end. And these come in the pearl or a round. And the next one, I'll see if I can find one of the round ones. And this one I'm going to put a red bead on. And since Valentine's Day is coming up, I'm going to put a heart bead on. Put another small red one on. And another tiny bead. I kind of like that. It's not too much, not too little. So I'm just going to pull this last one down, add a little glue right at the base of second to the last one. Push that up into the glue. And there's another hat pin, that easy. And you can do them with all crystals, you can do them with all pearls, you can do them with any color you want. Have fun with these. Let's try. Just a little crystal bead. You can get so fancy with these, or you don't have to. You keep them just simple and plain like this one. I really like that one. And I'll get one of my round pins and show you what that looks like. And there's the round one. You can see the difference. One's a teardrop and one's perfectly round. And they don't really change the look that much. It's still a white and red run. And I could have put red seed beads in here or some more crystal seed beads. Whoa, way too much there, Sam. That's what happens when you watch the viewfinder instead of what you're actually doing. That's how you make a stick pin. Stick pins can be put on a lapel. They can be used in card making. A lot of shabby chic projects are made with stick pins. Or you can just use them to decorate your pin cushions. I have a bunch of these beads, and you can find them anywhere. Joann's, Michael's, Walmart. But they are really big. You can see how much room there is. So you definitely have to have a smaller bead like a pearl or crystal before and after. And since that is so large and so blingy, I'm going to keep the rest of it simple. And just have a small pearl on top and bottom. Most of the time simplicity is the best. And you can use the diamond rondelles with these. You can use anything that you want, anything you have on hand. These are, I've had this forever. This is one of those sets that comes from Walmart. They're $1.98 and they're loaded with different beads. I like these ones right here. They'd make really cute stick pins. They've got silver ones in here. So they don't have to be expensive either. And there's one I did with the diamond spacers. And like I said, they make very nice decorations for the pin cushions. And there's a whole lot of stick pins that I've made over time. One with a little plastic clear heart. One in silvers. This is probably my favorite. It's a square bead with square spacers. And that one looks like denim. Like I said, it all depends on how you put your beads together, what color beads you use, and it'll change the entire look. So it'll go with any theme that you're working on. or if you're making these as gifts, whatever color their sewing room is. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.